Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Thursday, October 2nd, 2025. I hope you're all doing well. All right, so this will be the last recording I do until next week's Wealth 365 Summit. So again, pay attention here, folks. It's just been a phenomenal week. Again, in the WealthCharts live training room. Had a great trade today I'm going to show you, as well as just a phenomenal week, right? So with that, folks, when we got in here this morning, at 9:30, I mentioned, I said, okay, we were at the VAL, value area low, and the point of control was down here, and the gap, which is I like to use the 4 p.m. close of the previous day, was down to the bottom. So what I said was statistically, right? Statistically, we'll probably head lower. Okay, we'll come fill the gap. It does more times than it doesn't, but that was my bias, to look for that downside movement based on where we were at, looking at that volume profile, knowing where the point of control was as well. Okay, and so sure enough, right at 9:30, in this case, it sold off. But again, how did I play that? So if I go to the 1 minute chart on the NQ, okay, so 1 minute chart on the NQ here. Again, I don't trade between 9:30 and 9:40. Okay, 9:30 and 9:40. I like to let the market digest. We had the move down. We got the pullback, beautiful pullback, back in the direction of the trend. Okay, this is where I made those 30 plus ticks. Okay, 30, actually it was 30 ticks. And then I tried to let part of a runner as well, and I got out at that break even at the 30. Okay, but others got more based on how they were playing it and managing the trade. But regardless, what I was looking for was that move down, wait until 9:40, get the pullback, and that was the plan. You can also see here the champion cross was getting wider. These are all the things we talk about in the WealthCharts live training room. Again, just another incredible week here of learning, trading together. I just had requests over the last 30 trading days, folks, over another 5 digits of payouts, right? So come learn with me on Monday on how I'm doing this, what process I'm doing with these Heikin-Ashi formations. As a gentle reminder as well, I do have over 6-digit payouts in prop firms here. So specifically over 6 digits just with APIC. So you want to listen to this on Monday, okay? I'm going to be speaking at 1 o'clock Eastern on Monday. So let me bring that up here and show you. First of all, if you haven't registered, it's wealth365.com/join Keith. So www.wealth365.com/join Keith. Again, it starts Monday morning, ends Saturday, so October 6th to the 11th. The cool thing is, folks, so as I mentioned, I'm going to be presenting here Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern. What a special treat. You get Rob Hoffman at noon right before me, right? So you get 35-time trading champion Rob Hoffman at noon Eastern. Yeah, I'm sure he's going to go over a tremendous amount of opportunities and updates within WealthCharts, some of the new technologies that come out. The cool thing is now, with this particular trade, for example, today, with the Apex WealthCharts fill, technology is fantastic. I'm getting great fills and getting out in this example, so that's just one of many things that, we'll be talking about next week, but something you do not want to miss out on. So www.wealth365.com/join Keith. Please come see me Monday. I'm so excited to share with you the process I've been using to be so successful with these prop firms. I look forward to seeing you there, folks. And again, have a great weekend. Take care now.